Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of party essentials with the ultimate centerpiece, the large inflatable Halloween cauldron drink cooler. Standing at a staggering 22 inches wide and 18 inches tall when fully inflated, this cauldron isn't just any ordinary party decoration. It's a game-changer for your next gathering. Whether you're hosting a Halloween bash, a St. Patrick's Day celebration, or any festive event in between, this versatile cauldron has you covered. Let's talk capacity. With enough room to store up to 35 cans of your favorite beverages, this cauldron ensures that no guest goes thirsty. Plus, it's not just for drinks, it doubles as a candy holder, a smoking cauldron for spooky ambiance, or even a pot of gold for St. Patrick's Day festivities. The possibilities are endless. But what really sets this cauldron apart is its convenience. Made of durable PVC material and featuring a tight seal, you can trust that your beverages will stay cold and your treats will stay fresh throughout the party. And when the festivities wind down, simply deflate the cauldron for easy storage until your next event. It's as simple as that. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the witch's brew. Some customers have reported concerns about leakage and holes in the seam. While this is something to keep an eye on, many users have praised the cauldron's durability and overall quality. So, whether you're stirring up some Halloween fun or searching for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, the large inflatable Halloween cauldron drink cooler from GIFTEXPRESS is the perfect party companion. That wraps up our review of the best large plastic cauldron 36-inch on the market. Until next time, party on, my friends.